What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous Ford Raptor that we have right in front of us. Now I'll get right to the color of the name in the video title. I believe you guys have seen it already, but nevertheless this looks like an absolute monster with the color having a little bit of contrast here in black. At the same time, the black is like this matte finish black. At the same time, you get a little bit of this rugged finish together with the wheels. I like how they have it in matte as well. So let's start off with the gorgeous appearance of how the exterior lights look like first. Now take a look, the DRLs are already turned on, so there's no need to turn them on. They have the lines on the outer part of the truck. As you can see, it looks beautiful. You have your main headlights together with your high beam located on the inside part right here. Performance LED is what they mentioned. You also get a beautiful matte finish grille for the front. That's, of course, it spells out the word Ford, and you get all this matte finish that's happening all over the place right here. Now I love the fact that there's some air flow through to go through on this side. You also get your 360 camera that's located right there in the center, so it's beautiful. You also get your number plate holder that says right here, of course, next gen Ranger Raptor. At the bottom right here, you also continue with all these matte finishes that's happening with the front bumper. In fact, the side as well, also you can see it. You've got some lighting right here together with your sensors, and it does look absolutely aggressive in every way or any angle you stand to see. Now let's start off also with the bottom centerpiece right here. You have some amazing bright finish of a centerpiece. You get some matte finishes down here. It looks absolutely stunning for these two places. Underneath here, of course, you got some rugged cover to protect your front of the car, just in case if you're going down in a certain angle. So it does look very, very beautiful indeed. Now the top of the hood, you get some amazing lines that we have on this side together with this side, as well as here and also there. So you do get that a very aggressive kind of a feel to it, with additional covers at the top right here in this matte finish. So it does look stunning at the same time. Beautiful look, man. Love how this looks. Now let's talk about the wheels right here. You have an amazing wheel arch in this matte finish that goes across the whole piece, continues right at the back. You get your amazing Ford center caps that you have right there. You also get this matte texture-like finish on this side with some solid disc brakes at the back, brake caliper on the other side, and this looks like a very, very thick tire. Of course, for off-road, there is not going to be an issue for a car like this. Now, tire size, let me just find a way to locate the tire size for this kind of car, because it is something new for me to be looking at. Where are we going? There we go. 285/70R17. So it is a 17-inch wheel, and it does look very, very sporty indeed. Now let me show it to you on this side. At least it's a little bit more clearer without the standing in. As you can see, amazing appearance for the wheel, gorgeous finish. Now let's hop right into the side of the fender. You will notice that you have this amazing side scoops that we have right here. So gorgeous finish on this side. Love the texture like feeling on the inner part of the so-called side opening right here. And before that, your side mirrors, you do follow your body color. At the same time, you get this matte finish at the bottom together with your turn indicators and also your 360 camera on this side. Gorgeous finish. For the center here, you have your matte finish on this side where it goes across the whole under part of the door, but the top part, it follows the body color, so it's designed in their own way. The side steps are in this rugged like matte finish texture, very solid and nice. You also get some design like elements for the side right here with one straight line. Door handles are in a very nice and simple way, straightforward. So for the doors, first thing when you open up, you notice you get some texture like for the interior part right here. You got the unlock and the lock, got some matte finish texture, window adjustments up and down, handle to hold to pull to close the door. To open up the doors, it's basically this particular handle right here. So it's not like any other car where you have handles on this side, but it's located on this side. So that's kind of cool. Love the rugged kind of finish that we have. Some opening right here, compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Amazing finish of a door. Now at the side right here, you also get it Ford Performance wording down here for your plates. The interior part of this car, I love the fact that you have all these orange linings at the side right here, orange lining on the seat with some stitchings that go along together with the side right here and the Raptor wording right there. So it's a very, very sporty looking, gorgeous finish of a car. Love that they have the handles right here to get in and out from the car. But let's jump right in to show you guys how amazing the interior looks. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. You get your sort of like this leather finish of a dashboard that you have right here. You get this sort of like hard plastic kind of like finish for the dashboard on top also as well. So you do get some compartment storage down here to keep some stuff. You get these rugged like lines here also as well. And I believe this should be your cup holder. Damn, that's nice. So you do get your compartment storage down here as well. Very cool. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. And once again, I love the seats with this orange lining on it. Looks absolutely amazing. Now the interior part right here, the screen and whatnot, they have tons and tons of info that you guys can actually take a look at. But nevertheless, we will not be turning the car right on at this moment. But yeah, amazing hard plastic that we have right here. Handle right here. You got B&O sound system is what they're using. You got the fabric lining at the top roof of the car. So you do have all the other controls that you have right here. Very nice indeed. I believe this should be your, for your glasses. And also you have your lighting adjustments here as well. So mirror looks very rugged and solid. Very cool. So let's get right down and leave the door open and jump right into the back seats. Of course, with the front seat already adjusted according to how I sit, the back doors are fantastic in a way as well. So let's take a look at the finishing. Hard plastic right here. You got some leather finishing on this side, some nice hard plastic on this side, here also as well. Window adjustments, once again, handle to pull. Handle right there, very rugged looking finish. Sound system speakers right here, compartment storage down there, hard plastic on this side, very nice indeed. So side step are also here, together with handle that's right there, so you can hold on to it and get into the car. Now let's hop right in. So this is me holding and getting in on this side. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front, the rear passenger seat. So you got some compartment storage down here, you got your air vents right here, your USB-C and your Type-C as well. So you got your charging socket, it's unplugged right here. It's cool that they have that. It's not every day you see that. But yeah, amazing center finish for a car like this. Roof lining once again in this fabric top. Lights are here. You got your handlebar right here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. My seat belts are located right at the back right here. Love the orange that's on the seats as well. And let's pull this thing down and show you guys what's actually here. So 2 cup holders on this side, you can keep it in if you wish to. Amazing layout. Now let's head right down and take a look at the rear wheels. Before that, of course, petrol cap is on this side, as we all know. Take a look at the beautiful wheels that we have right here. So very rugged finish of a wheel. Love the matte finish that's happening right here. Solid disc brakes at the rear. Fantastic appearance to be. So 285 70 R17, that's the wheel size for the rear as well. Love the wheel arch, the opening is super huge. Love the matte finish that goes across from the whole side all the way to the back. Gorgeous finish. Now the interior part of this looks absolutely gorgeous. Love the finishing, very rough and very nice as well. So of course there are some other hooks right here, hooks right there, and also here where you can actually have a cover covering the whole place, or some other things that you wish to store at the top. Love the Raptor wording that we have on that side. Love how the fenders go at the back right here, connected to the rear. And just check out how gorgeous the back end of this car looks. So you do have your DRLs for the rear in this sort of format. Very nice lines that we have right there. 10 speed is what they mentioned on the left. Ford with the 360 camera underneath. Your handle to open up the rear. You get your Raptor wording right there. And also you get the Ranger wording on this side right here. So it's damn cool, right? Number plate goes right there. You got some light shooting at your number plate just in case people can't see it. So that's kind of nice as well. You got your amazing exhaust tailpipes on the left and the right. You got some amazing solid hooks right here in case you need to hook something, but amazing tailpipes nevertheless. Gorgeous finish. Now what's underneath? You got your spare wheel that's happening right there underneath. So that's kind of cool. Love the rugged finish of the suspensions and the wheels. So beautiful finish. Now let's try and bring this down to show you guys. So amazing rugged finish that we have right here. The string that they have to hold the cover for this. But just check out the interior, man. Super huge. You have, I believe, some other socket right there for you guys to choose. Love the Ford wording that's also there as well. So beautiful finish for a car like this. Amazing appearance. Now once again, let's open this up and take a look at the interior. Beautiful finish. Love the orange lining once again on the seats. Now you do have them on this side right here as well. Amazing driver setup. Now we will talk about the driver doors in a while. So you got your unlock and your lock. You have your handle here to pull to open up the doors. You got your window adjustment for the rear and the front. Side mirror adjustments together with the child lock, I believe, for this as well. Folding of the mirrors. Compartment storage down here. Amazing appearance. So B&O sound system, speakers right there. You got your brakes, accelerator, and this matte finish black pedals. Lighting adjustments, DRLs are already on. To open up the rear lights also as well, so that's kind of cool. Ford Performance is what they mentioned right here. Electronic seats is what they have right there. So let's hop right in. Love the Raptor wording once again. Let's hop right in and sit in the front driver's seat. Keep getting confused with those kind of stuff. So of course, let's push this up. You have your manual lever right here and push that back. So this is exactly what I'm looking at. So I love the TDC marker that we have right here. Love the Raptor wording at the center of the steering wheel at the bottom. You also get this orange stitching that goes across the whole steering. Love the leather finish and leather wrap, Ford wording, airbag and things like that. So other cruise control settings are right here, speed limit and whatnot. So it's a fantastic layout. Love the screen setup. Gears are right here, and your other drive modes that are having on this side right here. So very cool. Handbrakes and whatnot. So you got your other settings for your so-called off-terrain mode, I believe this should be. So it's obvious. 2 cup holders, wireless charging and whatnot. So very, very nice indeed, man. Love how this car looks. Absolutely amazing. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Gorgeous finish of a car. So let's get right down and show you guys how the exterior of the car looks like from the front. Once again, amazing outlook for a car like this, man, dude. Beautiful finish. Now before that, let's first turn on the indicators to show you guys how does the signal lights actually blink, something which I did not do yet. So top right there, cool. So you have your indicators at the side mirrors right here. Gorgeous finish, beautiful. For the bottom piece right here at the front, you have the indicators right underneath here, so it doesn't replace the whole DRLs that are on. So gorgeous finish as well. Now let's close the rear boot to show you guys how does the rear look like with the lights. So let's close this back on this side right here. So very cool indeed. Nice appearance, very nice. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Ford cars, do head down to Sime Darby, where you can locate this car and many more other cars here on display. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.